Hello friends, this video on winds, storms and cyclones part 12 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now we will talk about another such phenomenon which happens, which is not exactly like a cyclone but something of similar sort, and this is called a tornado. So what's a tornado? It is also like a high speed wind but a little different than cyclone. So as you can see in the picture, how does it appear to? It looks like a cone, the shape of a cone. So it is a dark funnel shaped cloud. So this is nothing but a cloud, right? And it is in the shape of a funnel. This is the shape of a funnel, like a cone. So you see it's like broad at the top and then it is quite narrow at the bottom. So that's how it is, and its diameter can range from a few meters to even a few kilometers. So it can be at a very smaller range, or it can be huge. So they travel at extremely high speeds, and that is how they are capable of causing huge damage. So basically, how are these? It's like how you have a spinning top. So it just spins on the ground, right? In a similar way, these tornadoes, they are like winds. They are actually clouds, but they have winds which is like moving at real high speeds, and then this entire thing, this entire funnel shaped cloud which you are seeing here, that entire thing travels from the sky to the ground with such high speed. And as it comes near the ground, what happens is it's constantly rotating as well. So when it comes near the ground, all the dust, dirt, sand, etc., all the dust, dirt, sand, etc., everything enters this funnel. So everything enters from the bottom part because it's all open. At the center, it's the same concept, right? The center is going to be hollow. So everything, dust, dirt, everything enters inside and they all come out from the top. So basically, wherever you have this tornado, you see a lot of dust at the top of the tornado. And since it is moving with a very high speed, all the objects that it encounters, everything is thrown out from the top. So this tremendous high speed causes destruction to any object it encounters, whether it is a building, whether it is a house or whatever it is. It can spoil and it can destroy that. So let us look at the structure of a tornado in more detail. This is how it looks like. So it might appear like a softie in this picture, but actually this is also the shape of tornado. So at the bottom of the tornado, this is called the funnel of the tornado, and this is how the top is like. So you see all the dust, dirt, everything, because it falls near the ground. So when it comes to the ground, dust, dirt, everything enters inside and everything is thrown out from the top. So when you look at the top of the tornado, it is all dusty and dirty. So that's how it's like a cloud of dust above the tornado. So that's how it looks like. So sometimes these tornadoes can form inside a cyclone also, because cyclone is what? It is nothing but a low pressure area which is being created and then winds are rotating about it. And what is tornado? It is also like rotating winds in the shape of a funnel, and then it is actually reaching the ground basically. So sometimes the cyclone is so huge that inside the cyclone you also have tornadoes. Now tornadoes are not very common in India, but it is quite common in other parts of the world, and this can also cause huge destruction. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.